welcome back to Bloom. Maintaining our health and wellness is so important. Today we have a nurse practitioner who's developed a unique online service that helps you proactively educate yourself and your loved ones to take control of your health. Please help me welcome nurse practitioner and founder of Virtual Healing, Maureen Healy. Welcome, Maureen.
Thank you, Krista.
I'm so excited to have you here. Tell me a little bit about your health background.
Well, it's nursing.
Okay.
I was a registered nurse for 25 years in hospitals and worked pretty much all the areas. And then I went back to school and became a family nurse practitioner in 2014.
Well, good for you. So you're just very passionate about the medical community and about helping people.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
Absolutely.
I want to know about virtual healing and the heart behind it.
All right, Virtual Healing is an online service for the public to ask questions, to call in and ask questions about their health, any concerns or issues. And all they have to do is call in and, or go online and schedule an appointment, and we can do video conferencing, whatever form of communication they like, and we talk them through their problem or help them resolve the situation at hand. And then we'll send them a summary and recommendations of what we discussed.
I love that idea because I feel like nowadays the minute something we feel is off medically, we immediately go to our phone, we type things in, but
Right.
you're giving us a way to, in the same manner, get information from the actual experts.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, we're staffed
Yep.
with healthcare professionals and registered nurses. And
So tell me how your staff helps the public.
it's let me just go back for a minute.
Yeah.
The heart behind it came two factors. My mom was involved in a near fatal accident several years ago, and it was helping her through recovering as quickly as possible without any complications, and finding out patients and their families didn't know what to do in that similar scenarios. And then also we have a serious readmission problem in our country, $25 billion cost to all of us that we're all absorbing because patients are being readmitted to the hospital within 30 days. So, and that's because of lack of understanding of their discharge instructions.
So where people are leaving the hospital, but
and then they get
they're
readmitted.
falling in that
Yes.
gap of confusion over, could be
Over
medication,
their,
could
it
be
is their
treatment,
medication.
Could be, it is a lot of times medication.
Absolutely.
Okay.
They were on meds before they went in, and now they're on new meds and more meds, and a lot of confusion with that. So one of the ways we help is to go over those instructions and review the medications and clarify everything, and consider, we're also staffed with nurses, so we're coming in from a nursing point of view where you think about supplies and equipment and what they're eating and what kind of physical activity they're doing. And we address all those issues to expedite recovery.
Now, nurses are always the unsung heroes in the medical community. And I feel that way. You go and you see a doctor, they give you instructions, you leave, and sometimes you sit in the car and go, wait, what? So you guys are really there
Absolutely.
to be the experts
Yes.
to fill that gap. And you have such a passion behind it. I also heard that you're writing a book.
Yes.
Tell me about that.
It's called Your Pain-Free Guide to a Healthy Hospitalization. And pain-free is an acronym. And it is educating families on how to become part of the healthcare team when their loved ones become hospitalized, and it's to their contribution reduces infections, skin breakdown, pneumonia, just potentially medical errors and medication errors, and it gets their loved ones home sooner.
Well, good for you.
And that's coming out early 2020.
You're doing a lot of things. If there's one thing you want our viewers to take away to know about virtual healing, what is that?
We can help with the wide variety of healthcare problems and conditions. We don't diagnose and prescribe, but we help people more holistically, addressing their lives, considering you know, the stressors they're undergoing, they're living, and addressing all those issues.
And a lot of times it's just that communication, that peace of mind that can make it so much easier to sort of deal with a condition, and you're giving people the expert peace of mind that they need when they need it.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. If you guys want more on this wonderful service, Virtual Healing, you can visit their website, virtualhealing.com, or you can actually contact nurse practitioner Maureen Healy at 727-729-2099 or email Maureen at virtualhealing.com. And for our viewers, there's a special offer for a free consultation if you reference that you saw this Bloom segment. Thank you, Maureen. Thank you to Virtual Healing, and we'll be back with more Bloom right after this.